Introduction. Overview. Introduce the Fujifilm X-H3 as the latest flagship APS-C mirrorless camera designed for both photographers and videographers. Purpose. Highlight the camera's significance in the current market and its appeal to hybrid creators. 1. Evolution of the X-H series. Historical context. Brief history of the X-H series, including the X-H1 and X-H2. Advancements. Discuss the technological and design improvements leading up to the X-H3. 2. Design and build quality. Ergonomics. Describe the camera's grip, button layout, and overall handling. Materials. Detail the construction materials and durability features. Weather sealing. Explain the camera's resistance to dust, moisture, and temperature extremes. 3. Sensor and image quality. Sensor specifications. Detail the X-H3's sensor type, resolution, and size. Image processing. Discuss the image processor and its impact on performance. Dynamic range and color science. Explain how the camera handles various lighting conditions and color reproduction. 4. Autofocus and performance. AF system. Describe the autofocus points, tracking capabilities, and low-light performance. Burst shooting. Detail the continuous shooting speeds and buffer capacity. Real-world performance. Provide examples of the camera's performance in different scenarios. 5. Video capabilities. Resolution and frame rates. List the video recording options, including 4K, 6K, and 8K capabilities. Codec support. Discuss internal recording formats like ProRes and external recording options. Log profiles and color grading. Explain the available log profiles and their benefits for post-production. 6. In-body image stabilization, IBIS. Stabilization specs. Detail the number of stops of stabilization and how it benefits both stills and video. Use cases. Provide scenarios where IBIS enhances shooting, such as handheld video or low-light photography. 7. Electronic viewfinder and LCD screen. EVF specs. Describe the resolution, refresh rate, and usability of the electronic viewfinder. LCD features. Detail the screen's articulation, touch capabilities, and brightness. 8. Connectivity and storage. Wireless options. Discuss Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and any app integrations. Ports and interfaces. List available ports like HDMI, USB-C, microphone, and headphone jacks. Storage media. Explain the types of memory cards supported and their benefits. 9. Battery life and power management. Battery specifications. Detail the battery type, capacity, and expected shooting time. Charging options. Discuss in-camera charging, external chargers, and power delivery via USB-C. 10. Software and firmware. Menu system. Describe the user interface and customization options. Firmware updates. Explain Fujifilm's history of firmware support and what users can expect. 11. Lens compatibility and ecosystem. Mount type. Specify the lens mount and compatibility with existing lenses. Third-party support. Discuss support from other lens manufacturers. Recommended lenses. Suggest lenses that pair well with the X-H3 for various photography styles. 12. Comparison with competitors. Versus X-H2. Highlight differences and improvements over the previous model. Versus other brands. Compare the X-H3 to similar offerings from Canon, Sony, and Nikon. 13. Pricing and availability. MSRP. State the manufacturer's suggested retail price. Market availability. Discuss release dates and availability in different regions. 14. Pros and cons. Advantages. Summarize the key strengths of the X-H3. Limitations. Address any potential drawbacks or areas for improvement. 15. Conclusion. Final thoughts. Recap the camera's position in the market and its suitability for various users.